Have you ever wondered how to make shaving cream galaxy eggs?
No, I don't.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Fluffy Beard Man. Today we're going to be doing our Easter eggs.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny's coming tonight. Tomorrow's Easter!
This video will be coming out tomorrow, so the Easter Bunny would have already came.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to be doing Easter eggs a tad bit different than what a lot of you might be used to. This one is done with shaving cream.
And food coloring. And we boil up some eggs. And we got Kinsley and Amelia here in the video. But Kitty's so right. Say hi. Whoa. Shaving cream is like shaving. Yeah, shake it. And guys, you got the kids and babies. Well, come out. We did Easter hunt with you guys. And we did 2 rounds of Easter hunt.
We need something to... Can you grab me the spoon that's in there? In the pot?
I want to do it.
Wipe it off with the white cloth real quick.
Where?
Right there.
Oh,
That's what I said. Alright, we have to flat this out before we get into...
I'll do it.
I got it. Did I just put shaving cream in my hair?
Yeah.
Did I put shaving cream in my hair?
I will do it.
I got this.
Oh.
So we're going to flat this out. You're going to help with the
straw.
the food color in a minute.
And a straw?
And the straw.
Guys.
So, we've seen many people do this. It's like a Pinterest thing. But nothing we do here is actually going to be exactly how it's done because we don't follow instructions. We're rednecks. We just grab what we have around the house and roll with it. And no, I had to buy shaving cream because this bearded man doesn't shave.
Yeah. But George do.
Yeah, George did.
Well, George don't want this house anymore.
Alright.
Because George is crappy.
Alright. Go put that in the cold water. The big bowl. Alright, I'm going to put the food coloring down, then you're going to start doing the swirls. Yeah. That's how we're going to clean the eggs, too.
Mix it up. I'll do it.
I got to be very precise.
We'll do these.
Ellie, back up, back up. You can't just squirt it. You have to go very gently.
We'll do blue.
Don't just squirt. That's why, because I don't want to get messy.
I'm trying to do it.
Bunny's about to go. Just little drops. Not near each other. Spread it out.
Oops. That's a big one.
Alright. I'll do the last one. Hang on, I didn't put the top back on this one. I'm going to show you how to do the swirls and then you can do it, okay? We can't mix it up a lot because you want to be able to have the galaxy effect.
Yeah. Guys, we gotta do this right, but we can't do it right, but
Actually, I'm going to do the swirls so we don't get messed up, but you're going to put the eggs in.
No! I'm supposed to do it.
No, can we watch? Because we don't want to mix.
I got it. See, you're doing it right.
Because if it gets mixed up all the way, Belle, it won't work.
Okay. Gosh. This is not here. You told me to do it. This is looking good. Right, Dad?
Looking great. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do one, and then you're going to start doing the others, okay? Don't just start making messes. Be in different areas so it doesn't...
I'll do like this.
Just put that in the bowl.
Like that.
And then hurry back so I can show you how to do this. This is going to be messy, guys. Very messy.
Yeah, very messy. Kitty want to eat now. Kitty.
Here.
Good girl.
Alright, I'm going to show you how to do one. So pick a spot. Drop the egg. You watching?
Yeah.
Drop the egg.
And do that.
And flip the egg.
Let me do this.
And then put the egg over here. Where's her thing? Just do what I just did. Just like that. Alright, it's covered. Now take it out. Take it out. Put it down. Keep it away from each other. Can you grab her binky real quick?
Where?
It should be in there. Actually, there's one on my desk.
Where is it? Okay.
Billy, don't take them all.
I'm gonna do it. I hope I don't drop them or
Just put it right here. So we can get them done. Just don't go in the same spot somebody else is already in.
After this, we can wash our hands.
So after we get all these done, you have to let them sit for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You gotta let them sit for 20 whole minutes. Hey, don't go that crazy. No, that's gonna make a mess.
Sorry. Look at my hands.
Well, don't go that crazy.
Hey, Bobby. Great.
And put them more separate from each other. Belly, don't use 2 fingers, not your whole hand.
We'll make it beautiful.
No, that's not. It's making a mess.
Yikes. I need to wash my hands off of this. I will do the last one.
Belly, stop. You're doing it in the same spot. Let me do these last 2 because I don't want you. You're going to make a mess.
No.
You've done all the same ones. They all look the same. You're literally making a mess.
Sorry. Done. That's safe.
Alright guys, we'll be back in 20 minutes and then we're going to rinse these off.
Okay guys, this is done. And we'll put this in water and Daddy's going to wash it off.
Alright, we're going to take it. Bella's going to rinse it and I'm going to dry it. And we're going to put it in the carton.
I'm going to do.
Come on, grab it and put it in. Our hands are still stained. Even Kinsley got. Put it in. Rinse it off.
It's a rainbow. Hey, Mommy.
You got it all off?
We got rainbow. Mommy, we got rainbow egg. Let's try this one. This is mine.
Stay on your chair when you do it. Ellie, look what you're doing.
I'm sorry.
That one didn't have so much on it, huh?
Mm-hmm. It's like dinosaurs. These work out fantastic. It's turning green.
Come on. Once it's rinsed, bring it. Keep your hands on the table.
See, it's green.
Oh, you gotta go quick. because you'll be rinsing it all off.
Look at dinosaur egg. Do this.
Belly, you're making a mess.
Again?
They're galaxy eggs. Belly, you really gotta not get it on.
Look! The
Yeah,
top.
this one's a good one.
Yeah, because I want to do it.
Look at that, it's galaxy eggs.
Yeah.
Belly, Belly, come on now. Get away from your sister.
Whoa.
How'd you get on the shirt?
Whoa, this is a good one.
Won't know until I finish drying off. There we go.
I don't want to do that one. This way.
Just come on. They all gotta get done. This is gonna be in the trash afterwards.
Why?
It's destroyed.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry.
Well, don't come near this side.
This is a good one.
Allie,
What?
how many times to tell you?
Sorry.
Alright. I'm gonna pass you this cloth.
I wash my hands.
Dry your hands. Over the thing. Not messy. Alright, guys.
We're all done.
Those are the galaxy eggs. If you guys want to give it a try, go for it. Hope you guys all have a happy Easter from the Fluffy Bearded Man channel to your family. Today's a good day.
Have a good day. Bye.